Hello, I am hopping on here to share with you some projects using the dies that Erica from Scrap Diva Designs has sent me to work with. I've been doing some guest designing for her and having so much fun creating all of these fun Valentine's goodies with all of her adorable dies. So I thought I would just share some of those with you. I've got a lot to share, so I'm going to go quickly so that the video doesn't get too long. So let's get started. So first up, I have these little bag toppers here. I'm gonna move all this out of the way. This is like the cutest bag topper. It has this love sentiment that layers across the bottom here. I have been using the Simple Stories Heart Eyes collection for this, so I just added a little sentiment from that collection there. I added this little dangle charms up here through one of the hearts that's punched out. And then this bow is from the Witch Shoes bow die that she has. I love that you can use the bow for all kinds of things. And then I just put a little heart button up there. And so what I did was I glued the top and then I left this part open so that you can add it to a package and then attach it to the top there. So I made this one and then I also made this one. And I think those turned out super, super cute. So that's really, really fun. Okay, then I have the infamous banners. These banners, I think this is everyone's favorite die. This is the smaller one and it has all these layers that layer on top of each other. And it's just such a great die. You can use it for all kinds of things. I added one of these heart rosettes to the top of it, layered up some embellishments, added this bow from Sparkling Ghoul on Instagram, and then I used one of those wood heart cupcake picks from Dollar Tree, and then I've added a little charm here at the top, and I've got some little strings and ribbons hanging down, and that is just such a cute little embellishment. And then on the back, I just added a white piece in some thin white paper. So I think that's the key. It needs to be thin because you want it to kind of conform to the stick in the back and kind of, so that it will mold to that stick. So that's how I created this one. So I think that turned out really fun. Then I used the bigger one here and created this flag embellishment, and this time I used a straw because that little cupcake stick wasn't big enough. And I added some pom-poms across the bottom. I've got this little scallop die. I think this is from AliExpress. This love puffy sentiment. This is from the Main Squeeze collection from Crepe Paper. I've got some gold eyelash trim, a little bow, a heart charm here, and then just a bunch of ribbons. And then, so in order to create this, what I did was I smashed the straw at the top so that it was flatter so that I could add it to the flag. So that it wouldn't be so bulky up here. And I would probably add this. This is pretty large embellishment. I'd probably add this to the front of like an embellishment book or something like that. So really, really cute. I love how that turned out. Then I have the heart arrow die set, and I created this little felt embellishment. I just die cut it out of felt, and I used some like double-sided fabric tape kind of to adhere this to the back, and then I stitched around with some embroidery thread. And then same up here, I stitched this. This is a gold straw that I had in my stash, and I added these little sequins and beads right here, and this is the back of it. And I think that's just really cute. You could just throw that in a little swap or add it into whatever project you're working on, and I just thought it would be fun to try it out with some felt. I've got some some like polyfill inside here, so it's kind of like a fluffy heart down there at the bottom. So that's really cute. Then I've got these little banner dies here, and I haven't added these to anything yet. I'm going to put them on a project, but I thought I would go ahead and share them with you. So I've got these little pink ones and gold, And then I've got this one here with some ribbons hanging down and this little bow. This is from that witch shoes. And then this is that little heart from Dollar Tree. And I think that turned out really, really fun. And these would just be really cute to add to a project. I just haven't decided yet what I'm going to add them to. And then I just stitched around the flag with some red thread. So that's really fun. Okay, these are some little tags. These go with the, I think the perfume bottle or lotion bottle, maybe, I think is what it's called. These are just some little tags, and I just thought they were such a cute little shape that I wanted to work with them to just use for anything. So I used those. I used the XO sentiment from the Valentine set. I've got a little bow here, a little charm hanging off. I stitched down the middle. I just layered it on top of some gold cardstock, glittered cardstock. And then for this one, in order to get a smaller sentiment, I just used this and then I trimmed it down the side so that it would make a smaller sentiment to fit on the smaller tag. So that's fun. I think that turned out really cute. Okay, then I have these little envelopes, and I made little embellishments out of them. They're just flat. I would probably add some foam tape behind here and glue this onto something. I've got this little hug sentiment from the Valentine set. This is from the stamp set in her shop, and I just stamped it and added it like it's a little card on the inside of this envelope kind of poking out. Got a little heart charm there. And then for this little pom-pom trim, I needed something really tiny because I didn't, these are small. So I used this Christmas ribbon that I had picked up a while ago. It's really big, and I just cut it in half and then glued it on the back of this so that it has these little pom-poms that stick out that are really tiny. And so that worked out really well. So that's the smaller envelope, and then this is the larger one. And so I think that just adds a fun little touch to it. Okay, and then I've got these little lipstick boxes. These are so fun and cute. Perfect for adding sequins mixes, little beads in a swap, candy. They're so quick and easy to put together. I cannot even, so quick. I used the lipstick sentiments here. I'm sorry, the lip sentiments, I think. And there's some acetate back here so you can see into the box. So whenever I put something inside, you'll be able to kind of get a glimpse of it. And I just stitched down and added a little paper ruffle. And then I've got some seam binding up here. And I do have a little charm, a little key charm there dangling down from these. And I think they just turned out really, really cute. And again, they were so quick and easy to put together. Okay, then I have this heart envelope die. It's supposed to open up. This one I glued around the seams here so that it's just a little holder, and then this fits inside. So it doesn't open up on this one. So I thought that would just be kind of another fun way that you could use this. So I just glued here, here, and here, and then also down the center, and then I layered on top. So it doesn't open, it just is an envelope where this card fits inside of it. So another option for this die, really, really cute. And then finally, I have these tags, which I absolutely love. They are the Love You tag, and I think you can make them into shakers. I kept mine flat and just layered up some cardstock, and this is, the U looks so cute on there, and then I just put these pink heart charms, these plastic ones, and I think they just turned out to be adorable. So those are all the projects I have for you. A ton of stuff. I've been very busy, and I hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will talk to you later. Bye.